In this video, I'm going to show you how to import private key to MetaMask. So it's actually quite simple. First, you want to go over here to your MetaMask extension. In case you don't have it, you have to install it first and create your account. It's very easy and quick. And once you do this, to import the private key of your wallet, you want to click up here where it says account 1, and you want to click add account or hardware wallet. Once you do this, you want to select the middle option, which is import account. And from here, you want to make sure when you click select type, it should be private key and not JSON file. So make sure it says private key, and after this, you simply want to enter or paste in your private key string in here. You can toggle to view or to basically hide it, and then once you've pasted that in or wrote that in, you can press import, and just like that, you've successfully imported your private key to MetaMask. And you'll be able to access your account up here, so you can simply click on this button over here and you'll be able to see both your accounts. So the default account, which is usually account 1, and then the imported account you used with importing your private key, and you'll be able to use it from here on. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.